Hello everybody, my name is Niku and welcome to the Trading Setup channel. You've probably noticed it everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram are stories of people who seemingly built their lives from scratch through crypto. They sit by a pool and tell you how simple it all is, creating the illusion that all you need to do is start. The problem is that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a term, survivor bias. You only hear about the stories of those who succeed. But behind the scenes, there's a huge amount of people who lost it all and disappeared into the shadows. You don't hear their stories and you don't see them post on social media because it's painful, embarrassing, and nobody cares. The thing is, their fate is much more likely for a beginner. Now you're sitting here watching this video thinking, maybe what if I'm one of the lucky ones? Let me tell you, if you approach this without a system, without knowledge, and without understanding market mechanics, most likely it will end badly for you. And I want to honestly tell you why. So make sure you watch this video until the end to understand. The first one, greed. Crypto is the perfect environment to test human nature. Once an asset begins to rise, you begin to believe that growth will be eternal. You wait a bit longer to take a bit more and miss the exit point. It all ends up with you being in the red instead of making a profit. This is not a strategy mistake. This is a psychological mistake. The second, trading crypto as a game. Many people think this is almost like a casino. You enter, you guess right, it works. The thing is, here the stakes are much higher than in any other game. If you treat this like entertainment, the results will be the same as in a casino. By the way, I've created a free resource where I've collected all the experience from my years of market work. No empty promises, just concrete materials. From working setups and the results of the execution to manuals for setting up indicators and also risk management to help you prevent blowing your account back to zero again. And most importantly, these strategies works not only in crypto but in every other market. So this will improve your chances of being successful and building a system. I update the content regularly and the old ones disappear, so grab it while you can. The third, unpredictability of instruments. Even if you really understand the charts, set up dozens of indicators, you are confident in your forecast, the market can still make a move that totally contradicts your logic. There is no absolute stability here. You must constantly adapt. The fourth, dependence on news and politics. A single statement from Trump can crash or skyrocket the market in minutes, even seconds. If you cannot filter information, you will always be in a chasing position. The fifth, psychological pressure. The market is constant swings. Today you're looking at green numbers and feel like a genius. Tomorrow everything falls and you panic. This emotional overload can get to even the most seasoned traders. If you don't have a system and cold discipline, you will not survive in this game. Because of this, crypto might not be for you. But if you really want to understand, learn market mechanics and act by the rules, that's why I created my private community. There I show how to analyze charts, work with indicators and manage risks. It's not about luck, it's about having a system. And everything you learn there about crypto can be applied to any other market. So if you're ready to go further and join a private community where we work every day, message me directly. I don't accept just everyone, members are picked individually. And at some point, I will close access to this group and it will become an autonomous traders group. The choice is yours. Remain an observer or join a private active community where we learn about trading. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the link and grab the materials. Guys, and remember, crypto can be destructive if approached carelessly. But if you approach it with a system, it can become a valuable tool. I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, may the pips be with you.